What advice would you give to the teachers present here today for their
Uh,
own changes?
okay, I will say first thing one more time. I know I'm very like annoying saying the word flexibility. Be flexible, guys. I can tell you that, for example, I'm not only flexible, be creative and open-minded and ready for things to fail in, not to fail, but as I can tell you what happened. For example, I was having the video call exchange there, and the internet didn't work. Okay, so I had to get my mobile, and I did everything like for 45 minutes, holding the phone in my hands, very close to my children, for them to be able to see the children's faces, because I couldn't use the board at all. I couldn't use the internet. I had to use my own data. So you have to be flexible. If something doesn't work, please just think of something. Just think of something, because this is a big disappointment. If it doesn't work for you, it's like, okay, it didn't work. All the work that I put, into this, and now it doesn't work. But for the children, I mean, don't forget, the children were expecting this for weeks and getting ready for this for weeks and making an extra effort and eating very quick and coming up the stairs because they wanted to get ready for that, and suddenly it doesn't work. So the faces is like, and you have to make the face to go up again and to smile again. So just be creative, be open-minded, be flexible, and enjoy it.